Hello, we want to simplify this pair of addition angle of sine. We want to simplify sine a plus b minus sine a minus b all over 2. So how do we do, how do we do this? How do we simplify this? Now let's recall the formula for addition angle of sine. Sine a plus b is sine a cos b plus cos A sine B. Beautiful. That is equation 1. Now what about sine A minus B? Sine A minus B, is what? Sine A plus B cos B minus cos A sine B. So what we change there is just what? Is the sign. Okay? Now, but we are asked to subtract this value from this value. It's very simple. And divide the result by 2. Now, say subtracting 2 from 1 gives, let's subtract. That means we're going to introduce minus here. By the time we put minus there, this becomes what? Plus. That's the meaning of subtracting 2 from 1. Okay? So, that means sine A cos B minus sine A cos B cancelled. This cancels this. Then what do we have left? We have what? Cos A sine B plus cos A sine B. And that gives us what? 2 cos A sine B. Beautiful. Then don't forget you are dividing everything by 2. So 2 cancels 2 here. So you have what? Cos A sine B. So it's as simple as that. Bye.